In this tutorial, I will tell you how to make the pulse generator using the 555 timer IC. This is the IC and it is the 8-dip version with 8 pins. You also need some other passive components like capacitor, potentiometer and resistors. And you also need a breadboard to mount all the components on. This circuit was very basic and you can even make this of yourself if you follow the schematic. This is the schematic with the 555 timer and the pin 8 and 1 are connected to the VCC and ground. Pins 2 and 6 are connected to ground through a 1 nanofarad capacitor to adjust the frequency, and pin 5 is connected to ground through a 100 nanofarad capacitor. This is how my final design looks, and it is not compulsory if your design will be the same too. So if you are making this, then best of luck, and to the beginners, try making this if you want to. Now let's turn on my oscilloscope and see its output. Here I am going to connect my signal to pin 3. One of the probes of the oscilloscope and the other one connects to ground. I am gonna give this power. Now if we take a look at the oscilloscope, we can see that it is a pulse of, as you can see, it is written here 9.23 kilohertz. Now this is variable, you can adjust this using the potentiometer that is over here. I'm going to let's see, increase the frequency. The maximum of my design is 42 kilohertz and the minimum is 4.21 kilohertz. That not be the best for you, so if you want to change the circuit, you can. All you have to do is change this capacitor right over here and all the resistors, potentiometers. If you vary those values, then you might even change the frequency to something that I even couldn't expect. But I will show you what you can do. You can change this 1 nanofarad capacitor over here, like turn this to 10 nanofarad. If you increase the capacitance, then the frequency decreases. If you decrease the capacitance, then the frequency increases. I am telling this from my own personal experience. You can try this too. So that is all. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe.